In this question, they're asking us to solve for x, and they've given us a circle with 2 chords drawn in it, and they've given us information about both of the chords. So if you can remember, the way that you associate the segments inside of chords is you do A times B equals C times D. And the A and the B both have to come from the same chord. So for instance, if I make this my first chord, I'm going to color it purple. And then I'm going to circle the 2 parts that go with it. That can be A and B. All right, and then I'm going to pick a different color. I'm going to color the other chord, the other color. All right, and those 2 pieces can be C and D. And so this is the equation that I would write. I would do 5 times, so I've got to multiply the 2 purple pieces together. So 5 times x plus 6 is equal to, and now I'm going to multiply the 2 green pieces together, 6 times x plus 4. Now, it's not really important what order they go in. Like I could have done x plus 6 times 5 and x plus 4 times 6. Or I could have done 6 times x plus 4 and equals x plus 6 times 5. It doesn't matter what order, because with multiplication you can switch the order. But I wrote it this way so that I would remember to do something. Because when you have this 5 that's being multiplied by this whole thing, you have to remember to distribute. And so it is important that if you have more than one term on a part of a segment, that you put it in parentheses so that you make sure you distribute when you do the next step of the equation. All right, so let's go ahead and do this distribution. 5 times x is 5x. 5 times positive 6 is positive 30. And on this side, 6 times x is 6x, and 6 times positive 4 is 24. All right, so now we just keep solving the equation. So I will subtract 5x from both sides. That goes away. I get 30 is equal to 6x minus 5x is x plus 24. And then I subtract 24, and I get x is equal to 6. And the question said solve for x. I solved for x, so I am all done.